Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into sheplace.com, an online fashion store that claims to sell trendy and casual clothing for women. On the surface, it looks like a stylish gold mine of affordable dresses and seasonal wear, but let's be honest, if a deal looks this good, your bank account is usually the one paying the price. We decided to see if this site is actually legit or just another digital trap. The first red flag popped up almost immediately when we looked at their stunning product photos. A quick reverse image search revealed that many of these images were shamelessly copied from other websites, while others appear to be AI-generated. If a store can't even bother to take a real photo of a physical hoodie, you're basically playing a high-stakes game of what's in the box with your own money. Next, we took a look at the company details, which are about as transparent as a brick wall. The site claims to be operated by Wyman Limited and even provides a registration number to look official. However, there is no VAT number and zero evidence of a proper business license. It's a classic move, providing just enough information to look professional while remaining completely unverifiable. To add to the suspicion, the domain was only registered in November 2024. While everyone has to start somewhere, scam sites love these pop-up setups that allow them to vanish into the digital void the moment people start asking for refunds. It's the e-commerce equivalent of a gone fishing sign, but with more credit card fraud. The technical safety check was even more embarrassing, as the site managed to score a perfect 0 out of 100 on Even Insight. Achieving a 0 takes a special kind of dedication to being untrustworthy. Even my old high school projects got a sympathy point for effort. When we moved over to Trustpilot, the story didn't get any better. With a dismal 2.8-star rating, the feedback is a chaotic mix of overly polished fake reviews and genuine horror stories from real customers. People are reporting that the embroidery they ordered turned out to be a cheap, blurry print, and that the fabric quality is closer to a paper towel than actual clothing. It seems their version of fashion forward is actually just forwarding your money into their pockets. To top it all off, their customer service is reportedly non-existent. If you're looking for a refund or a return, you'd probably have better luck getting a response from a stone statue. Between the stolen AI images, the lack of legal documentation, and the mountain of negative reviews, the verdict is clear. Sheplace.com is a textbook example of an unreliable and unsafe website. The risks here don't just outweigh the benefits. They've completely crushed them. Unless you enjoy the thrill of buying mystery rags, we suggest you keep your wallet closed. That's it for today. If you found this reality check helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that tell it like it is.